Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Gemstone Mutation items in Fish It Roblox. So if you want to first to have that rare crystalline glow, Gemstone Mutations are the ultimate flags in Fish It. And here I'm going to show you how you can get the items needed to trigger them. So the gemstones mutation is also needed for a ruby if you want to complete the diamond researcher quest. I admit that the gemstone mutation is pretty hard to get, but here I'm going to show you the trick that I personally feel. So I got two fishes with the gemstone mutation while I use the ghost fin rod in here with leprechaun enchant with a 30% luck. And also for the bait, I'm using the singularity bait. So maybe you can also try using that combo to get the gemstone mutation. So guys, that's a tips for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.